I want you to look at this chart and think about it. Where price is likely to reach? Is it going to have reversal from here and go up? Or it will continue its downtrend and it will continue to go down. So if you think enough about it, I will tell you the result. It doesn't go up or it doesn't go down. Price goes sideways for more than 2 years. In this video, I will discuss about one thing that most traders struggle. Having some bias all the time and price had to move in two ways, up or down. But they miss something. Price can be static for very long time. So welcome to the investing guideline. So let's go to monthly chart and replay. Now let's go down to daily. I will define for you each monthly opening level. So these green vertical lines are monthly opening days. As you can see from the chart, from March 2022 until July 2024, price has been moving in sideways. It's been 850 days and price didn't go up or down. So in smaller time frames, price took liquidity and go to another liquidity pool, but didn't leave this consolidation area for about 2.5 years. There are many trades that can be taken in lower time frames, but in bigger picture, price didn't move. Let's say you long here and aim for $6, price didn't go. And let's say you shorted here and aim for $1, price didn't go neither. What I want to point out is that there is no winner. So most of the time, price chart don't show anything. Traders just try to see what it's not there. The deceiving part is that if you spend some time trying to learn and trade in these markets, you will try to take a guess. But to avoid such things, you need to remind yourself what you see on the chart is actually there or it is just your imagination. Many traders have such ego, and these markets are programmed to trigger that ego. Take advantage of convincing them that they know the market, they know the price direction, they know where price is going so that they can take a guess all the time. So in short, if there is no institutional sponsorship, which means big players are stepping in, they will leave a footprint in these charts. It will not look like this choppy. You will see imbalanced candles, you will see liquidity rates, you will see price take the low of the range and go to opposite direction or vice versa. Without seeing them, don't force yourself to take a trade. If you made this far, I will show you one little hint. Before I show you this hint, like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to support. So let's go back to monthly chart and replay. After many months, price is leaving this consolidation area. And as you can see, it's brutally retracing it. Price was almost $5 here, and it retraced back to 3.38, which is 30% pullback. So what I wanted to show is, after this many months consolidation, price left this area. It is happening in a higher time frame. In such bullish chart, price doesn't come back and take this previous low. So where it can retrace back, and where we can be buyer again if we lose this opportunity to buy. I want you to look at here. As you can see, when I hold my cursor on any candle, it shows closing, low, high, and opening levels of these candles. I want you to look at this candle's low, which is right here. So this is $3.36. And I want you to also check this January 2024 candle. This is 2024 opening level. You need to check this price when I'm showing right next to all. So this is January and the opening level is 3.37. And this candle's low was 3.36. Algorithm remembered the yearly opening price and pullback right on the tick to $3.36. So of course this is high precision trading. So this is our bullish order block. Usually you should expect price to pull back to order block, but if you want to add some precision on your trading, you need to define quarterly opening levels. By doing this, you will also define January quarterly opening levels, which is yearly opening. So go ahead, apply this to your chart and backtest it. I assure you, you will be fascinated by the result. So if you enjoyed the teaching, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you won't miss any video. See you next time.